How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Meow, 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 meow.
Hello?
Hey, I heard you got the new cat phone.
Yeah, it's the cat's meow.
This is Cal. Say hi, Cal.
What? How are you doing this? I ever told you.
Girl, I teach you how to twerk.